In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add booking calendar to funnels in GoHighLevel, so your leads can schedule appointments automatically. Step 1. Set up your calendar. In GoHighLevel, go to Settings and then Calendars, and then create a new calendar. Set your availability and sync it with Google Calendar or Outlook to avoid double bookings. Step 2. Customize your calendar. Add time buffers between appointments. Limit daily bookings and brand it with your business name. This makes the booking process smooth and professional. Step 3. Add the calendar to your funnel. Go to the funnel builder, choose the page where you want scheduling and drag in the calendar widget. Connect it to the calendar you just created. Step 4. Automate confirmations. Set up email and SMS reminders that go out instantly when someone books, reducing no-shows and keeping your schedule full. Step 5. Track appointments. Inside GoHighLevel, use the pipeline view to see booked calls, follow-ups, and conversions so you know which funnel brings the best leads. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.